Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Icon Plus. Today we are going to unbox Boult audio earbuds. Y1 series it is. So on the right side we can see the Boult earbuds. Here also same. It's a logo and the name Boult audio. And this side we have a extra bass, built-in mic, HDD bass, and 1 year warranty, built-in micro woofers. So let's open this. Let's unpack this first. So let's quickly see backside also. It has Siri and Google voice assistants and passive noise cancellation called music control, Bluetooth pairing, Bluetooth ear master, stereo calling and mic. So we can see some specifications also here and buy one. So let's open this box. So as soon as we open, we see one pack. We have a manual here, so how it works and all, the voltage and all. And we have one voucher card and also warranty registration. So with this we also getting a cable, USB type C charging cable, and some extra earbuds. So total 3 pair of earbuds, extra we are getting 2. So finally here we have our Boult audio case, and inside this we have a earbuds. So on the top we can see Boult logo and a Boult audio. This side we can see a charging symbol and one notch to open this door cap, and at the back end we can see charging port, USB type C charging port. We have a rough surface here, and these two edges are smooth and white. Let's open this. So these are the two earphones, and so let's remove this. So as soon as we open this, it automatically on. You can hear one voice also. Yeah, I think now you can hear. We don't have multiple LEDs here, we only have single LED. In other earbuds we can see multiple, like a charging level kind of indicator, but for this case we only have one LED indicator. And we can see charging pins here, 2 for each, and those two will be attached to these two plates. So this one is R right and this one is left. We can see 2 mics per each earbud. So these 2 mics will help us in noise cancellation. So we have a touch control on the top of these earphones. So for one tap we can play, pause the music, also we can accept the call and reject the call. For double tap we can go for our next song, and volume control is not there with this touch control. So let's pair this earbuds. So Boult audio earbuds Y1. So I have to pair.
Your Airbase earbuds are now connected.
Now these are connected, and we can see the charging level here 100%. Now I am going to play some song. So we are hearing this sound from earbuds. So for pausing this song, either I can touch left or right for one time, single time, then it will pause. If I click again, then it will play. If I double click, it will go to next song. If I double click the other one, it will go to the previous song. See? Right one, double click for next song. And this one is for previous one. The long press we can activate Google Assistant or Siri. Play a song from YouTube. Play a song from YouTube. So we are getting these earbuds in two colors. We can see that in its website. So we are getting black and also white. These are white which I purchased, and these are the black color. So current price is $14.99, and we can go to the features here. So play time is 40 hours, Bluetooth 5.1, and it has a touch control, dual mic, comfort fit. 10 minutes charge will give 100 minutes playback time, IPX5 rating, and it is designed in UK, and it also supports Siri and Google Assistants. It has an extra bass feature. So that's it guys, thank you for watching our video. This is all about Audio Bolt earphones. We will meet in next video. Please do like, share and comments, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.